The Raleigh Hills project is a complete teardown of the existing school and replacing it with a new facility. We're building it to be the size and standards that all of our new elementary schools are built to.
So it's going to be a bigger school than what we have now, but it will have a small school feel because within each house will be different grade levels, and we're just trying to do the very best job we can to meet the needs of the community. So as I've been listening to them, I've been thinking about what great innovations can we make in this new building that will make the learning even more exciting for kids.
What are you going to do outside today, Whit?
Soccer.
Okay, soccer.
There's such a rich history and tradition here with the school, having been on this location for 100 years. So it's great to hear from community members. What was it like when they went to school here? What were the important things that they loved and valued? And then try to bring those into the school if we can.
So Raleigh Hills is currently in early design phase. We know what spaces are going in the building. We're starting to figure out exactly what the exterior of the building is going to look like, how it lays out on the site. Where Raleigh Hills is being torn down and rebuilt, the students will be going to Greenway Elementary School. This will allow all of the community of Raleigh Hills to move as one entity to a new location for the construction period. I'm really excited for the community of Raleigh Hills to get a new facility where they can really thrive and still have that facility feel like it's part of the Raleigh Hills neighborhood.